Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl Brittany here with BB's Crafts. I have another little quick tutorial for you. We are going to make these cute little chunky yarn bows. So super easy, and you can use the yarn that is now being sold at the Dollar Tree. So really thick yarn, and you can whip out so many of these just sitting there watching TV or whatever it is, or even during your break time at work. And I've seen these a long time ago. This is really big in the planner community, and they'll use them as like little embellishments, like charms or whatever, on the side of their planners or books. And you can leave them plain like this. You can add a little glitz and glamour here. I did some of my diamond dust. This is the diamond dust that I use. I get it from Michael's, and it's best to use the coupon, especially when it is at 50% off. Or you can even have like little charms and dangles added to them. And if you want to like hang it on some binder mail, you would just add your jump ring and then like a lobster clasp, and there you go, you have yourself a charm. And so you can do something like this. So different ways that you can utilize these, or you can add like a gem center or something, and you can stick it on top of a project. But I'm going to show you how to make one today. Very, very simple. And I'm going to do this one in white. And let me see if I can. I usually like pulling it from the center, but sometimes they're not wrapped properly. So let's see here. Where are you? Hiding. Alright. There's no specific math in this. You can kind of do as long as you want. Like this one has longer tails opposed to this one. So it kind of just depends on how you want to do it. Mine, I do it at about 16 inches. And then you can go ahead and cut the strands and just keep cutting them if you want. But I'm just going to show you a cheap way. So like I said, mine's at about 16 inches. You probably can't see that. So about 16 inches. And then I'm going to grab it and hold on to my loop at the top. Grab it where the first part ends. And then I'm just going to swing it around. So keeping my loops. And then I'm going to do it one more time. So I have what, about two whole loops on each end. So I'm going to hold my bottom piece here, cut that piece off. So now I have this, and now I'm going to take it and flip it over, so right hand over the left, and make a little loop. So I'll do that one more time. So I'm holding the ends, I'm taking my right hand, bringing it over. So now I have my loop here, and I'm going to grab it by the middle. So an easy way, one way you can do this is grab a rubber band and wrap it around it so you don't lose where your middle part is, or if it's hard for you to just kind of keep it all bunched together, you can do that as well. But otherwise, you just take your yarn, leave out a little bit of a tail, and you're just going to wrap it around however many times you like. I do it about 3-4 times. And then I'm going to pull tight, and now I'm going to snip this piece off, still leaving a tail, so I can go ahead and tie a knot. Now if you have a thick darning needle, you can go ahead and weave it in, but if not, you can just go ahead and do it like this. And I'm going to do a double knot, pulling it tight. And then here you can either snip off the ends, you can again use your darning needle to weave in your yarn, or otherwise I'm just gonna go ahead and snip that off. And so now you have this portion. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust it a little bit, and then I'm gonna grab my tails, and I'm gonna get them to an even spot, and then snip. Alright, so now we have it snipped off. there you go. Simple as that. You can go ahead and clean it up to however you want to do it. And then again, you can go ahead and add whatever you like. You can leave it plain like this so your recipient can do whatever they want to it. You can add your beads, you can add your diamond dust, or even sequins on this would be super cute. But very simple, very fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to your girl and click that bell button for the next video so you always stay in tuned. Until then, until next time guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.